Hi humans! Today I'm working on a simple idea. One that doesn't require building a new structure. What if I combine ideas from previous two projects? Not long ago, I built an infinity mirror cube. If you haven't seen it yet, check out the video linked in the description. I also built a pretty cool reactive music lamp. Both projects turned out great, so why not to combine those? That's how I came up with this project, the reactive infinity cube. And the best part? As I'm just upgrading my existing infinity mirror cube, it's going to be relatively easy. Since I'm not a fan of using wires connections directly to music devices, I found a Max 9814, a microphone amplifier module to capture the surrounding sound. For processing, the Arduino Nano is more than capable. No need to replace it. All the sound, reactive visuals will appear right inside the cube. Alright, let's dive into the soldering part. So, it's time to connect the Max 9814 to the Arduino. And I'll add two capacitors. I'll place a 22 microfarad capacitor in a series to the analog output pin from the Max 9814 to stabilize the signal. Then, I'll add a 470 microfarad capacitor in a parallel with the power line to prevent any voltage drops when the LEDs draw high current. Just make sure both capacitors are rated above 6 volts for safe operation. Now, let's bring this project to life with a bit of code. The sketch will feature 3 unique lighting modes. Mode 1 reacts to sound volume with colorful, random flashes. Mode 2 uses sound levels to move patterns along the LED strips. And Mode 3, my personal favorite, creates dynamic lighting effects that sync with the rhythm of your music, so you can actually see each beat. The cool part? There are no buttons, modes switch automatically and the colors shift constantly to keep things visually interesting. After it is uploaded, we can see music in a whole new way. With a mesmerizing light show inside an infinity. If you enjoyed this video, hit like button and subscribe for more awesome DIY projects. And hey, I'd love to hear what you think. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. See you soon!